that would be the first key takeout for me. Just getting that awareness and appreciation of what does the technology do to me, to my brain, to my body, all of that. And which actually segues into the next section where I say, having understood all of this, having understood how our bodies and our minds are affected in today's scenario where Gen AI is the buzzword, and Gen
Yep.
AI is is unlike any other technology because it talks like humans, it walks like humans, and it's difficult to now differentiate between am I talking to a human being or a bot, right? And you have this deep fakes and all kinds of controversies going around, and this is just a start. We're going to progress quite rapidly. So in a context where so far it was humans and tech, but now it's difficult to figure out.
Hmm.
The two will start almost like merging together. So in that context, what does it mean to be a human? What are the challenges we'll face, and what are the opportunities that we'll sort of face? And one of the things that the book talks about is the concept of a digital renaissance.
Okay.
If you're familiar, we had this the classical renaissance in the 14th and the 15th century in Europe, where a lot of wonderful things were designed. The printing press and the telescope, and that's where all the exploration of the world with Magellan and Columbus and everybody
Hmm.
went around. So this huge amount of exploration, sciences came about. So I'm just saying that the kind of situations which existed in that part of the world, in that part of the humanity's timeline, same thing is going to happen now, and we are going to enter a world of digital renaissance, where people who understand today's technology well, and they actually know how to leverage the positives of the technology well, will actually come out better as a part of the digital renaissance. And people who don't understand the tech or don't understand the watchouts or the negatives of the tech, they'll actually lose out the entire digital renaissance. So that's the second big concept that I introduce. And in the third part, I introduce my own framework, and I call it the desire framework. It's desire is actually it's an acronym of four different things, and I talk about to make the most out of this technology and to come out a winner as part of the digital renaissance. What are the kind of things you need to do? And then there are four things that I describe as a part of the desire framework. And journaling is one of those components
Okay.
embedded in one of the elements.